Last year, we made a lot of announcements. We shipped across compute, proving, interop, and enterprise rails and quietly changed what's possible on Ethereum. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 major releases to show what's been shipped, why it matters, and what it unlocks. Let's start with a piece that changes how institutions interact with Ethereum, Previdium. This is zkSync's answer to enterprise-grade private execution. Previdiums are private enterprise blockchains where transactions execute privately inside an institution's own environment and the data never leaves their systems. What gets published publicly is not the data itself, but a zk proof. Every batch of transactions generate a proof that's verified on Ethereum. So you get private execution, but public verification. Visibility in Previdium is role-defined. The public only sees proofs and commitments on Ethereum. Operators have full internal visibility, which is segmented by roles, and regulators get selective disclosure, only the fields they're authorized to see. This is how Previdium moves beyond the old public versus private trade-off while staying compliant by design. This also means things like cross-institutional transfers can settle near instantly while staying atomic and verifiable. Next up is the Airbender, the world's fastest open-source RISC-V prover, the part of the system that makes transactions provably correct. What Airbender really unlocks is 1-second block proving. It can run on a single GPU and costs roughly about $0.0001 per ERC20 transfer. Under the hood, Airbender is built as a RISC-V-based zk virtual machine. This detail matters because the same code that executes transactions is the code being proven. And once proving is no longer the constraint, the real question becomes, how do you design the rest of the system around it? That's where Atlas Update comes in. Atlas was one of the biggest architectural upgrades to the zk stack. It's where the zkSync OS, the sequencer, and the Airbender prover come together into a single system. Earlier version of the zk stack ran a single virtual machine. zkSync OS introduces a layer below the VM which allows a single chain to run or support multiple execution environments. Next is the Atlas sequencer. This is the part that actually executes transaction in the real time. In testing, it reached around 15,000 transactions per second with transaction inclusion in the hundreds of milliseconds. Blocks execute fast, gets proven in about a second by Airbender, and then settle back to Ethereum without re-execution. Multiple public and private zk chains all generating proofs continuously. Those proofs are aggregated and verified with Ethereum acting as the root verifier. Because every chain is constantly proving correctness, chains can trust each other by checking proofs. Speaking of interconnected chains, let's talk about Interop or zkSync Connect. zkSync Connect is zkSync's native interoperability layer for zk chains. The goal here is to make chains feel connected by default, not stitched together with bridges. Most interop today relies on relayers, optimistic assumptions, or trust in external systems. zkSync Connect takes a different approach. Instead of trusting a bridge, chains rely on zk proofs. With zkSync Connect, messages and transfers are accepted only after a zk proof of the source chain's execution is verified. Once the proof is verified, the receiving chain can act on it immediately. No waiting, no trust assumption, no external relayers. This works across public and private zk chains. Public chain can talk to a private enterprise chain, and private chains can interact with Ethereum's DeFi. This is possible because zk chains in zk stack are continuously proving their state. So zkSync Connect isn't just about moving assets, it's about enabling trustless communication between zk chains anchored to Ethereum without relying on bridges. zkSync Connect turns a set of independent zk chains into a coherent system where interop is native, not an afterthought. So once chain can execute privately, prove quickly, and interop natively, the last question becomes, how do the teams actually run this in production? That's where zkSync Managed Services comes in. zkSync Managed Services handles the operational side of running ZK chains. Sequencing, proving, upgrades, monitoring, and reliability, all of this runs on the same Atlas architecture you have already seen. This means teams can launch production-grade ZK chains without setting up complex infra themselves. Previdium enables private compliant execution for institutional or enterprise blockchains. Airbender makes proving fast and cheap. Atlas Upgrade tied the system together. zkSync Connect enables native interop, and Managed Services makes it all operationally real. This is what zkSync shipped last year and will be the foundation of what we do this year.